Our scholarship opportunity for today is for women in tech. This scholarship award is for BSc degree programs, and you'll be doing programs in cybersecurity, computer science, electronic engineering, game development, web development, simulation and visualization, and information technology. The deadline for this scholarship is June 22nd, 2024. Requirement number one is for you to be a female and you submit an original project. Let's get into the details of the scholarship. If you clicked on this video, then it's safe to say that you are a woman in tech or you have a woman in tech you want to share this video with. Anyways, keep watching and I'm going to be giving you the full details about the scholarship. Now, this scholarship is for a university in the US called Full Sail University. They have specific scholarship for online programs and specific scholarship for campus programs. So we'll be going through this website to see if this scholarship can be awarded to people who want to run an online program or it's just for people who want to do a campus program. They have various scholarships, as you can see here. They have campus scholarships, they have online scholarships like I mentioned earlier on, and they also have high school scholarships and they have international scholarships. What we are focused on right now is the international scholarships, but this time around we're focused on the international scholarships for women in tech. So let's keep scrolling and then alright, here we are, and we're going to click on women in tech scholarships. Let's look at what it entails. The Women in Tech Scholarship is designed to identify women who are exceptionally talented in their problem solving and critical thinking skills, academically successful and passionate about emerging technology industries. Three components encompass this scholarship. First of all, you get the scholarship, you get access to the community, and you get access to a mentor. Awards. About the Women in Tech Award Scholarship. The Women in Technology Scholarship Program will award a full scholarship including tuition and a laptop to an eligible woman pursuing a select full-sail university degree program. Applicants will need to adhere to eligibility criteria and strict deadlines outlined in the minimum eligibility requirements and application process sections. Upon starting the program, you will be paired with a mentor, and that mentor can be a female faculty member or a graduate in that same field of study, like in the same program as you during your time at Full Sail University. Along with a mentor, the award winner will have an opportunity to engage the community by attending a conference with an emphasis in women leadership in technology. Finalists will be invited to a Full Sail University virtual event to participate in a whiteboard problem-solving competition. A very limited number of scholarships awarded to the finalists selected from the competition. So what are the requirements? What do you need to do to qualify for this Women in Tech scholarship? To be eligible for consideration, those applying for the Women in Tech scholarship must, first of all, you have to be a female. Second, you have to meet admission requirements for an eligible Bachelor of Science degree program. The programs this scholarship cover are computer science, cybersecurity, game development, information technology, simulation and visualization, or web development. Another thing is that you should have earned at least one of the following: a cumulative high school GPA of 3.8 or higher. So if you're going to be applying with your high school certificate or secondary school certificate, as we would say in Nigeria, you should make sure that you have a GPA of 3.8 or higher. You should also have an SAT score after 2016 of 113 or higher, or an ACT score of 25 or higher when the scholarship application is submitted. The application deadline is June 22nd, 2024. You should submit an original project. This is very important. Like, this is going to determine if you get this admission or not. So you have to submit an original project with screencast per instruction in the application process section by June 2024. So you'll be asked to do a project, and it's going to be an original project where you're going to screen record and they will be giving instructions on what to do on this project. Now, once given this project, you have to submit the project before 22nd of June 2024. Now, another thing is you have to begin your degree program within 2 years of selection for the scholarship. You have to maintain satisfactory academic progress and adhere to full state university code of conduct. Application process for this Women in Tech scholarship. Application process for the Women in Tech scholarship is in 3 rounds: round one, round two, and round three. So let's take a look at the 3 rounds and what is required. For round one, candidates will submit an original project with screencast or screen record based on their degree program of interest by Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. So, you want to do computer science. Now, you'll be given a task to carry out, and you have to screen record your processes, how you go about this task, and you have to submit it before June 22nd. Candidates will be interviewed by a Full Sail University admissions representative and apply for admission by Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. So, in whatever you do, make sure that you've applied for an admission by Saturday, June 2022nd. Candidates who meet the eligibility requirements for round one will be notified by Monday, June 2024 of eligibility to participate in round two as semi-finalists. Now, let's look at what round two entails. Round two. Upon round two notification, semi-finalists will submit a completed scholarship application or a copy of their high school transcript, an official SAT or ACT score via the Student Full Sail One website by Wednesday, June 2024. Semi-finalists who submit an original project that meets eligibility criteria and possess a high school GPA of 3.8, an SAT score of 1133, or an ACT score of 25 and above will qualify for finalist status. So to qualify for finalist status, you have to have a GPA of 3.8, SAT score of 1133, or an ACT score of 25 for you to qualify to be a finalist. Finalists will then be notified by Friday, June 28th regarding their eligibility to participate in round 3, which is the whiteboard problem-solving competition held virtually by Full Sail University. For round 3, this is what you're going to do. Finalists will be invited to participate in a whiteboard problem-solving competition on Saturday, July 13, 2024. Finalists will receive detailed instruction prior to the event. Based on the criteria given, the scholarship award will be announced by Thursday, July 18, 2024. Award determination. Scholarship applicants eligible for round 2 will be determined by the Women in Technology Scholarship Panel based on the evaluation of the project submitted for the degree program of interest as listed in the project requirements for application section, provided all eligibility requirements above are still met. Scholarship applicants eligible for round 3 will be determined based on 1. Their high school transcript, and 2. The scholarship application, provided all eligibility requirements are met. Applicants who have not graduated may submit unofficial transcripts. A scholarship recipient will be determined based on the whiteboard problem-solving competition held virtually by Full Sail University. So these 3 things are what will determine if or not you'll be given the scholarship. Provisions and award requirements. Applicants must have applied as a new student to Full Sail University for a start date within 2 years of being selected. So once you're awarded the scholarship, you should apply as a new student to Full Sail University for a start date, and it should not be later than 2 years after you've been selected for this scholarship. A change of degree program, interruption of education, or withdrawal from the degree program may result in cancellation of the scholarship award and disbursement. Students understand that a change in student status may impact eligibility. Final award of scholarship is contingent upon recipient of all required admissions and financial aid documents by the assigned start date. Students who delay their start date may lose their eligibility. Funds from the Women in Tech Scholarship may only be used towards a tuition and laptop known as Project Lunchbox for a full-scale university campus or online Bachelor of Science degree program. Scholarship funds will be disbursed every semester, not every year, not at once, not at the start of the program, but every semester. Students must maintain an overall GPA of 3.5 for the duration of their emerging technology degree program to remain eligible for scholarship disbursement. Scholarship is non-transferable and has no redeemable cash value. Documentation provided as part of a submission will not be returned. So note that every document you're submitting to them, it will not be returned back to you. So make sure you use photocopies if you're going to be submitting physical documents. The project must be the original work of the applicant. So you cannot take somebody else's project and submit as your project. It has to be your original work. All submissions must abide by full sail universities non-discrimination policy. Applicants who submit work that does not abide by this policy will be disqualified. Work submitted will be judged by Full Sail University's Emerging Technology Scholarship Panel. The scholarship cannot be combined with other scholarships initiated and or awarded by Full Sail University. Financial aid is available to those who qualify. Project requirements for applicants. So if you're in cybersecurity, computer science, or electronic engineering, you can read through this to see what is required of the project. The project they said you're going to be submitting to qualify. You can read through these to see what these projects are. So if you're doing computer science, for example, you have to submit a software application created by a programming language of your choice. The submitted application must show significance and originality and must solve a problem using computer science principles. You must also display significant use of a programming language. Example, you could make use of JavaScript or Java. The submission must also include all sources and assets used to create the project. Outside sources must be cited within the submission, and you have to submit a brief video under 10 minutes that includes the following: a screencast, that's your screen recording of your application, your site, or your work explaining its purpose, an explanation of your development process, like how did you make this, delineation of what is created and written by you and what is from other sources such as content, code, libraries, group work, frameworks, etc. So if you're not in computer science, you have to read on what is required for electronic engineering, information technology, and all of that. So if you read through all of this and you're sure you can present these projects to them and you qualify for this scholarship, then you can go ahead and apply for this scholarship. To apply for this scholarship, you have to call this number and then they'll take it up from there. If this video was helpful or you would like to see more of these videos, click the follow button. Tell us the next tech programs you would like to see scholarships on. Until next time.